Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss objective part of CSS International Relations Paper 1 of the year 2022. So let's start. Question 1 is Operation Inherent Resolve or OIR is the name given by the United States military to the international war against the Islamic State or IS, which was the last of the United Nations Trust territories of the Pacific Islands to gain independence. Palau. Nice three pillars of soft power are political values, culture, and foreign policy. Guerrilla warfare is a type of unconventional warfare which is carried on by small independent forces. World Order is a book about international relations written by Henry Kissinger. The Kyoto Protocol was an international treaty adopted in 1997 that aimed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Negative peace is the absence of violence and war. On December 8, 1953, President Dash gave a speech titled Atoms for Peace to the United Nations General Assembly in New York City. Dwight D. Eisenhower, which survey and analysis of global economic and financial developments is published twice a year by the International Monetary Fund. The World Economic Outlook, who is generally regarded as the father of political economy and of classical economics. Adam Smith. The period of détente during the Cold War generally spans from the late 1960s to the late 1970s. Globalization is a term used to describe the growing interdependence of worlds, economies, cultures, and populations. International security is regulated by a complex and evolving system of international law, institutions, and norms. Track 2 diplomacy is a form of diplomacy that takes place outside of official government channels and is known as back channel diplomacy or informal diplomacy. The Tashkent Declaration was a peace agreement signed between India and Pakistan on 10 January 1966 to resolve the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. The Cuban Missile Crisis was a 13-day confrontation from October 16 to 28, 1962 between the United States and the Soviet Union. President Woodrow Wilson enunciated his 14 points in January 1918 in the Conference of Versailles. Liberty, equality, fraternity was the slogan during the French Revolution. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization is an intergovernmental dash between 31 member states. Military alliance. Kigali is the capital and largest city of Rwanda. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.